Here to go. Keep those masks over your noses and on your chins at all times. Stay seated at all times. And oh yeah, feel free to leave your wallets out on the seat. I will collect those at the end of our tour here today. Now a show of hands. Who here can swim? Thank you for volunteering to be our flotation devices here today. Another show of hands. Who thinks the captain should go down with the ship? Thank you for volunteering. I'm just the skipper. Samantha, our top becomes our bottom, and our bottom becomes our top. You trade places with me. I'll go home with your family. Everybody else hang on to those flotation devices. Now, hopefully you guys check the 2-day box, otherwise we're going to be here a while, because now we're on the Amazon River, where it rains 365 days a year. For those of you counting along at home, well, that's a lot of days. As we come around the corner, we are going to go up and see Inspiration Falls, guys. Everybody asks, why do you call it Inspiration Falls? Well, legend has it, if you listen closely enough, it'll share wisdom with you. So go ahead and have a listen. Anybody hear anything? No? Just me? I guess I've been in the jungle just a little too long. But it's going to take you guys into the Congo so to see how far we can go. Now, if you guys haven't brushed up on your bare necessities in a while, that's alright. We do have a small library here in the jungle, but it only has one book. The Jungle Book! I like to throw a small little surprise party for all my new friends on board. So only got 3. We're going to leave and say hello to all my old friends. 1, 2, 3! I can't see any big canoe. Well, if you are one of those things that tips over on you, I think wears a hat if it's any capsize. Yikes, guys, why did it have to be snakes? Trust in me, you do not want this thing to ever crash on you. It can be pretty constricting relationship. We do not supply python and not bugs. Well, there's no feathers. This education programming brought to you by PBS. Pretty big snake. Always gonna take you on my camp for some southern hospitality, but looks like my roommates are just bugging around again. We don't really have time for their shenanigans, so we're make like a banana and split. When we're coming down the Nile River, guys, it's over 4,000 miles long. It just goes on for miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, well, then you're probably in disbelief. Here's my friends, the African elephants. We do know they're African elephants from 2 distinct characteristics. One is those Dumbo-sized ears, too. Well, we're in Africa. And also some of the best memories in the world. Let's look what a phrase, an elephant never forgets. Well, now we're going down African visits and just giving up the pants of African. Those of you all know these wonderful animals we're about to see. Now, here in the circle of life, we're going to see some short animals. We're going to see some really tall animals. We're also going to see some of the oldest animals here in the jungle. Can you guess who they are? It's actually my zebra friends up on that hill. We do know they're the oldest because, well, they're still in black and white. We're also a lion's favorite snack, zebra, on the rocks. But don't worry, guys, those lions do share their name with such. Now, please don't take this next attraction for granted, folks. I think it's solid, dare I say, one of our bolder attractions. Now, if you guys are ever being chased by a rhino, recommend you run faster than the slowest person in your party. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, well, you're probably going to get my point later. I want to take this down to one of my favorite plants here in the jungle. It's that one, and that one, and that one right down there. What are their names? Thanks for asking. Steve, Susanna, and Fern. Oh, what are their scientific names? My bad. That's Dr. Steve. There's Susanna. Well, Fern, he's got a PhD, so he's also a doctor. Now, this is Schweitzer. Gesundheit Falls is named after mountain explorer Dr. Albert Falls. He's in charge of our research expedition company. He just went searching for the lost Peruvian handkerchief. Hopefully, he doesn't blow it. Looks a rip for nice way to share my folks, and I did not packing up rubber duckies for everyone. Let's see how fast I can turn this boat. We made it last time. Oh wait, I'm the one talking about what happened last time. Due to legal reasons, it's gonna be me. Big behind me, guys. It's behind me. A lot of people ask me how I landed my job here at the Jungle Cruise. It's kind of plain to see. I took a crash course online, and well, my career just did not take off like I thought it would. But don't worry, guys. I'm just winging it now. My parents are so proud. Please keep those masks over your noses for me. Please keep those masks over your noses for me. If we could please stay seated and keep those masks over your noses for me. Yikes, we stumbled in the hippo pool, guys. Now, they tried to hit my boat once a week, and it hasn't happened yet this week, so I say we get out of here as quickly as we can. Unless you guys raid the port team back home and burn all those white marbles with you. No, well, worth a shot. Well, now we're headed into headhunter territory, folks. It's a terrible place to be headed, but there is a lot of culture here, so we're going to see what they have to offer us here today. Like over here on the right, this is what the locals like to call a sculpture. Now, looks like we're getting a little song and dance. These guys dancing in a circle. They just can't square dance to save their lives. And my trouble is a little rusty because I did skip that class. But looks like they're singing, it's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. Aw, they put together some goodie bags for us, guys. Isn't that so nice of them? Although if you do get stuck on one of the spears, we're going to pull it out and throw it back. It's kind of like playing Frisbee. I know you guys waiting for it all day. It was in the brochure. It's the 8th wonder of the world. It's the backside of water. Please do not try to recreate this experience at home. You will hear it on the faucet, and please do not ask how I know that. Well, now we're going down the Mekong River, guys. It's in Cambodia for all those geography inclined. Got a lot of secret tunnels in the area, but we're going to take you in one today. Oops. Well, I must have been wrong. Turn it out, folks, because I've never actually seen this one before. Surely it is a little not too dangerous. Let's call it Shirley's Temple. A lot more air sounding. In case it is dangerous, you guys keep your eyes open. I'm going to keep mine shut. Hope there's an dentist on board, because it looks like we're headed into a root canal. Paperwork. Now we are in the Indian elephant pool, ladies and gentlemen. Can somehow we know these guys are Indian elephants? For the smaller ears. Now, feel free to take as many pictures as you want, guys. It's not embarrassing. They did all wear their trunks today. And here's the most romantic part of my cruise. We're sailing in front of a full moon in the middle of the afternoon. And the sun is out. Oh, nature must be very out of balance, guys. Now there are priming tables why you should stay in the shower too long. I almost looked like one of them once. Just kidding, guys. I don't shower. Now if you keep coming down. Oh, he's coming back. Okay, duck. Goose. That's a little dry humor for you folks. The elephants love it just as much as I do. Now we saw lions, we saw tigers. Luckily we didn't see any bears because those are so unbearable. Oh my. Well, as we come around the corner, we aren't coming above us. Dangerous part of our journey here today. The return to civilization. I wish you guys a lot of luck. Me, I had so much fun. I was going to keep going around and around and around. But if you're safety reminders, please do not cross over these center crates. It's not a crate idea. It's also a fire hazard. You trip, you fall. I laugh. I get fired. Please don't do that to me, folks. They take all your personal belongings with you, especially your small children. Well, you do not want to have to bring them to lost and found, because within 24 hours, if you don't claim them, they are property of the company, and we will super glue their feet to the bottom of It's a Small World. We'll learn that silly song in 27 different languages. I hope you guys had fun today. If you did, this was the world-famous Jungle Cruise. I'm your Thunder Skipper Anthony. If you didn't, well, this has been the wildest ride in the wilderness. Hey, my name's Bert. You guys didn't have fun today? Well, we are downhill, so we can only go uphill from here. Please watch your head, watch your step. If you can't, please watch your language. There are kids around. If you do miss that step, feel free to write.
If you enjoyed this content, go ahead and click the like, subscribe, and bell icon for new content alerts.